In this lesson, we will see together the direct object pronouns, but more precisely the pronoun le. So, what are the direct object pronouns? My tip would be to look at my video covering this topic because it's extremely precise and detailed, but if we want to make it fast, then direct object pronouns in French are used to replace nouns that are directly acted upon by the verb. The nouns are acted upon by the verb without any preposition. That's the reason why we call them direct, because there is no preposition between the verb and the noun that the verb is acting upon. In this lesson, we will see the pronoun le, and the direct object pronoun le is translated to him or it in English, depending on the context. Remember that le is masculin singulier, and we'll have 4 examples. Je le vois dans le parc. Je le vois dans le parc. Tu le connais bien. Tu le connais bien. Elle le lit chaque soir. Elle le lit chaque soir. Nous le recommandons souvent. Nous le recommandons souvent.